What's up? It's your boy Grant back again with another video. Another vital part of my gaming PC came in today. Awesome. I wasn't expecting to get it today, but I got it today. So that is the Blue Yeti Blackout Edition. This is about to be an amazing unboxing. I'm about to unbox it now. Let's get to it. Okay, so let's get to this unboxing. Open this box up. All right. I was trying not to rip it. Still ended up ripping it anyway. Alright. Dang, I still got more tape to cut. Alright. So this is the USB cable. Looks like it's a pretty long cable, which is perfect because it's going to be sitting right in front of me and it's going to be plugged into the back of my computer. So this is actually pretty good. Instructions for the mic. I'll read that in my own time. Move the styrofoam, and there goes that sexy mic. Woo! Look at that mic. Let's see if I can. Here we go. Remove the plastic. So I guess it got the threads on here so that you can thread it to a mic stand at some point. And then it just flips over. And you screw these to lock it in place. Woo! Look at that mic. That is a beauty. Now I'm about to test the mic on my PlayStation. I'm about to test it to see how it sounds and see if it's pretty good. So I'm about to show you the video of me testing it on my PlayStation. Be right back. This is my test of the Blue Yeti mic with no background noise. Now, this is my test of the Blue Yeti mic with background noise. As you can see, my voice sounds pretty good with and without background noise. I think with a little tweaks of the gain and a windscreen or a pop filter, I can get my voice just right. Now, on the previous video, I announced I would be giving away a pair of SteelSeries Arctis 1s. That giveaway is still going on, but now the rules has changed. All you have to do is comment below this video, like this video, and make sure you are a subscriber. But with that, this has been another video. This is your boy Grant. Peace.